What? I would like to mention how just together this is all coming. You're lying if you say that this isn't sick. You know what I mean? Like, it's just coming along, and I know we still have a lot of that down there, but hey, let's not worry about it. But as you've seen today at the start of the video, we got fiber installed. Oh my God, I'm so excited to edit this vlog and upload it in the highest resolution 4K possible to see just how long it takes to upload something like that. I'm pumped, man. Absolutely pumped. And that's not the only thing that came today. We actually also got a new sweeper, which when I get this room done, I'm definitely gonna have to use that. But we also got something else today. I told you guys that I was gonna be getting something to make the streams sound better and the overall like microphone quality for the computer sound just top notch. So I'll use this for tutorials like voiceovers, stuff like that, and then also streaming. It's a lot bigger than what I thought.
That's what she said.
My man Brian at Bad Seed Tech is the one who recommended this. So he knows what he's talking about. So I trust him 100%. Basically what this is it goes in between my microphone and my mixer, my audio interface. Microphone will plug into this. This will then run into my audio interface. The audio interface will run into the computer. And this just basically controls everything before it even gets into the PC. The volume, gain, the drive, the density gives the microphone power and oomph behind it. Obviously, with this being so big, I'm definitely gonna have to mount it under the desk because that's the whole goal here, guys. Clean real estate across the board. Also, I'm sitting in my Secret Labs chair today because I just wanna make it very clear that I'm still using Secret Labs chairs. A couple people have been asking if I'm still using the chairs because I have not been sitting in them. Yes, I still am using this chair without a doubt. With doing YouTube videos, I just started using a bench so that way I don't have like a back rest. That way it's like, it makes me stand out more from the rest of the room. If you guys have noticed in some of the videos in this office, it seems like I'm really dimensional away from the background. And that's because I'm so far away from everything. I have this entire environment lit up behind me, which is kind of like pushing me out into the picture away from the things that are in it. You know, example, this chair, and I have a bench that I just sit on now. A bench that I want to use for the YouTube creative area when I unbox things. We do have an unboxing coming soon too. It's a new G Fuel item, collector's box. Let me know in the comments down below what flavor you guys think it is. Anyways, what are we in store for today, BigE? What are we up to? We're actually gonna end up venturing outside of the house today. We're gonna do a little family vlogging when Megan gets home. It's been busy around here today. It's actually 3:15 and I'm just now starting this. The internet provider was here all morning. I was dealing with video stuff and still reformatting the laptop, updating some things, trying my best to stay slightly organized. But the goal tonight is get a little pampered up and go out to eat for the first time. I don't want to offend anybody or start anything with this. It started a big debate. But, you know, obviously, you know, we have the protests and everything going on, which I'm 100% for. Like, I back that we need some change, but it's really made me kind of like understand the whole coronavirus thing. And, man, I don't know. I need to get out and live life a little bit. I do want to practice safe distancing. I want to clean my hands and be sanitary. Without a doubt, I respect it. I respect that there is still a virus out and about. I want to be a human being for a little bit. So if that takes Megan and I getting together tonight, going out and having a steak in someone else's establishment, by God, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not trying to go like make out with a whole bunch of people. I'm just trying to go out to eat and have a steak, wash my hands, eat good cooked food. I don't know. Judge me if you want. But before I do that, I want to get this thing installed and test the audio on it. So let's do that real quick. So this is the test of what I'm currently rocking, right? So this is what it sounds like, just PRESONUS audio box plugged into the computer with the microphone plugged into the box. With this, I have to have the gain turned up quite a bit. And obviously you can see how close I am to the microphone. It doesn't sound bad, right? But like the second I get back here, I move to the side, and there might be some
background noise going on because I have to have the gain, aka, you know, the volume to it turned up so high. And obviously with me being close to it, might be getting like some spikes in audio too, some peaking. So this is what it sounds like all by itself. Give me a second. I'm going to hook this up and we'll see what it sounds like with this. So this is what it sounds like now with this guy. And I really don't know much about this. I watched a 6-minute tutorial setup from Caleb Wachik, but already with not knowing things, wow. I from what I hear, I can even maybe go up a little bit. I have so much more control now too. This is crazy across the board. So now too, I can be a little bit further away from the mic. I can be at the side and it will still kind of pick up that quality from the audio in itself. Dude, this is insane. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Definitely worth the upgrade. How excited are you guys for the streams with this? Oh, T102 tuning in live. I can do that. The Human Torch was denied a bank loan. Ladies and gentlemen, you are tuning in to BIGE Live, the sensation. Great, I'm pumped, man. Great investment. Let me know what you guys think.
Well, don't you look gorgeous? Oh my goodness. Oh, Shantae.
I haven't done my signature.
Are you excited to go out and be a normal living member of society today?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Very much so.
All right, well, let's go.
Away in the night, well, sometimes it just feels right.
Well, this is a curveball. This is something I definitely noticed in this last year. That is with like the humidity and like atmosphere down south compared to Ohio. In Ohio, when it would rain, it would like you knew like it was gonna rain, and it was gonna rain probably like for an evening or a morning or like for a day or days at a time, right? Rain down here is so like random and weird. It could just out of nowhere just pop up, crazy downpour, and then 15 minutes, like if that, it's gone. It just develops out of thin air. So as we are pulling up to the restaurant, it starts just pouring, but nonetheless it's still like nice to even just be out of the house. I love the new place, but anybody goes insane just being in one confined area all the time. And for the last couple of months we really haven't been able to do this. When's the last time we dined out? Like actually dined out?
It's been a long time.
Even prior to COVID, we were trying to get on like a better schedule and a better routine for eating out just to save money. But let's go enjoy a meal. Seems like the rain's dying down. I cannot express how nice it is to have somebody else
prepare your meals.
Yes. Oh my God.
No.
I feel like I'm living in luxury right now.
I don't have to cook. I'm getting beer and water brought to me.
I feel like I'm doing something wrong because this just feels so unnatural. It feels naughty. Brother, what?
Oh yeah.
Are you ready to bash into that thing? Dude, look at that. Holy shit, dude. We were actual members of society today. Felt really good to get out and about, to kind of like feel like a human being. Not in the sense that you have to like leave your house to feel like a human being, because that's kind of like almost a contradiction of having an awesome place like this, right? Because obviously that would, like, this is the reward to everything that we do. Like getting out was just such a relief in the sense of having the option to, if that makes sense. It's not like we always just want to leave our house, but just for months, it's just been kind of like weird not having that option to, as a human being, as an individual, just being able to just get out and about without like kind of being judged, I guess. Yeah, like I don't know. It felt different. It felt like just empowering to leave and go out to eat, man. I'll tell you what, this whole like COVID-19 thing really made me respect and not take certain things for granted. Everybody can have their debates and opinions on everything that has happened these last few months. I don't know. I just try to look at the positive from things from time to time. And, but I tell you what, after getting tonight's bill, I'm like, oh, that's why we stopped eating out. Holy shit, is it expensive to eat out. But nonetheless, obviously today things just went so much smoother, knock on wood, since I have real hardwood now. We have some new audio in, we got the internet going, the ultra wide is still up and running. We are grooving and just adapting and getting better. And I have some things coming for you guys this week. We have some family members coming down. So a couple of days are going to be preoccupied to where vlogging's just not going to be realistic for a couple of days. So I want to get ahead and get you guys a couple of videos. So this week, be on the lookout for some more like informative tutorial videos, some helpful ones. They might be a little smaller. They might be a lot longer. Depends on which ones I specifically go with, which I'm excited for that because I got this new whole like headshot sit down look now for videos, and I got the new audio so I can do some like, here's how you do this. I sound professional. That's all I got for you guys today. I'm gonna head out, get an early rest. Tomorrow we're gonna go out shopping and decorate other parts of the house. If you enjoyed today's vlog, likes, comments, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. That's all I got for you guys today. I'm out. Deuces. Peace.